This 2025 K-Z Durango Half-Ton D286BHD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 33 feet 7 inches in length and features a Mink interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, self-contained, external shower, DVD player, stovetop burner, water heater, leveling jacks, refrigerator, LP detector, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Durango Half-Ton D286BHD is 9,250 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.